Positioned for visibility and steady traffic, this well-established 3-bay automotive repair and tire shop offers an excellent commercial opportunity on busy US Route 36 at the edge of town. The 3,830 square feet building is thoughtfully laid out to support efficient operations, featuring approximately 1,458 square feet of shop space, 1,601 square feet of storage, and 777 square feet dedicated to office and customer waiting areas. The property is designed with functionality in mind, offering a large fenced and secured outdoor storage area, along with ample concrete and gravel parking to accommodate multiple vehicles with ease. Prominent signage both at the road and on the building enhances exposure and reinforces a strong business presence. Whether you're expanding an existing operation or launching a new venture, this high-traffic location provides the infrastructure and flexibility to succeed.